channel. Today we are going to discuss about recursion, scope of variables and storage classes. Recursion introduction. Recursion is a process in which a function calls itself. It is used to solve problems that can be broken down into smaller sub-problems. Example factorial, Fibonacci series and etc. How recursion works. Function calls itself repeatedly. Each call has its own copy of variables. A base condition is required to stop the recursion. For example, int fact int n curly braces if n is equal to 0 return 1 else return n into factorial of n minus 1. This process will be continued until the n value becomes 0. Hence the code repeatedly runs by calling the function itself. Types of recursions. Direct recursion. Function calls itself directly. Indirect recursion. Function calls another function which then calls the first function again. Advantages and disadvantages of recursion. Advantages: reduces code size and simple, elegant solution for complex problems. Disadvantages: it uses high memory and slower execution than loops. Scope of variables. The scope of variables define where it can be accessed in a program. Types: local scope, which can be used in the local, which we declare in the local, and we can use it anywhere within the function. Global scope, which can be used anywhere in the code in the program. Block scope, which can be used in only a block, and a function scope, which is function. Example of scope include stdio.h int x. This is a global scope, this is a local scope, this is a block scope, which can this is only used in this specific block. The int here, this is used in the entire function, and the int x equal to 10 can be used in the entire program anywhere. Local and global variables. Local variables declared inside a function or block, accessible only within that block. Global variables declare outside all functions, accessible throughout the program. Storage classes in C. Storage classes define the scope, lifetime, and variability of variables. Types: auto, static, extern, and register. Auto storage class. Default for all local variables. Lifetime within the function. Example auto int a equal to 5. Static storage class. Retains value between functions calls. Lifetime entire program. Example static int count 0. Extern storage class. Declares a variable defined in another file. Use it to share variable across files. Example extern int x. Register storage class. Suggests the compiler to store the variable in CPU register. Faster access but limited use. Example register int counter. Summary. Recursion helps in solving repetitive problems elegantly. Variable scope defines accessibility. Storage classes manage variable lifetime and visibility. Thank you.